Hello, I'm Uma Arora from Tutors.com, and in this video we are going to learn about diversity in living organisms. So the main subtopics which we are going to cover in this video are Plantae and then classification of Plantae. So on the next slide, few questions are there for you, so you can pause the video here and you can try the given questions, and once you are done you can resume the video to check your answers. So pat you back if all of your answers are correct, and now let's move forward and let's have a quick discussion about the group Plantae. So Plantae are multicellular and autotrophs, and the presence of chlorophyll is a distinct characteristics of plants because of which they are capable of doing photosynthesis. Well, with that, cell wall is present, and you can divide the plant kingdom into 5 divisions. The first one is Thellophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperms and Angiosperms. Let's talk about each of them in detail. The first one is Thellophyta. Well, the plant body is a simple thallus type. The plant body is not differentiated into roots, stems and leaves, and they are commonly known as algae. So this was all about Thellophyta. The next one is Bryophyta. Well, if you talk about this category, the plant body is differentiated into stem and leaf-like structure. Vascular system is absent, which means there is no specialized tissue for transportation of water, minerals and food. They are also known as the amphibians of the plant kingdom because they need water to complete a part of their life cycle. You can think of example as moss and marchantia. The next one is Pteridophyta. So the plant body is differentiated into root, stem and leaf. Vascular system is present, and with that they do not bear seeds, and hence they are called cryptogams. Plants of the rest of the divisions bear seeds, and hence they are called phanerogams. The examples of Pteridophyta could be ferns and horsetails. Let's move forward and let's talk about gymnosperms. So if you talk about gymnosperms, they bear seeds and the seeds are naked, like they're not covered. If you talk about the word gymnos, that means naked and the sperm means seed. Examples could be pines, deoda and cycas. The next one is angiosperms. Well, if you talk about angiosperms, the seeds are covered. The word angio means covered, and there is great diversity in species of angiosperms. They are also known as flowering plants because flower is a specialized organ meant for reproduction. And you can further divide angiosperms into 2 categories, which are monocotyledons and dicotyledons. Now let's move forward towards the next slide and let's have a quick discussion about monocotyledons and dicotyledons. So monocots, if you talk about monocots, there is a single seed leaf in a seed, and a seed leaf is a baby plant. For example, wheat, rice, maize. If you talk about dicot, there are 2 cotyledons in a seed. For example, mustard, gram, mango, etc. So on the next slide there is a flow chart for you, and you can go through the complete chart and have a quick recap. So here are a few questions for you to practice. You can pause the video here and you can try the given questions, and once you are done you can resume the video to check your answers. So pat your back if all of your answers are correct, and thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.